Tired of looking for a good deodorant? Are you tired of bad smell? Aren't you? You can stop now because you can use cool deodorant. Ultra maximum protection for active sports, antiperspirant, effective 24 hours. The best player use it: Catherine Ibarwen, Roger Federer, Leo Messi, James LeBron. What are waiting to use it? Try it and you will see the efficacy. Cool deodorant will make you feel fresh, handsome, beautiful, and relaxed. If athletes use it, why don't you? The result will surprise you. You can buy it online or in any stores. And the best thing is the price. You can get it for only $8. Don't wait anymore. Cool deodorant. Buy it now.